Your thoughts are not always telling you the truth. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you a simple reset that can help you stop spiraling and regain control. Have you ever noticed how one negative thought can ruin your entire day? It starts with something small. I'll never be good enough. I always fail. Nothing is going right. The more attention you give these thoughts, the more believable they feel. But here's the important part. A thought is not a fact. Your brain is trying to protect you, not predict your future. Step 1. Pause. When a negative thought appears, don't fight it. Don't judge yourself for having it. Instead, pause. Take one slow breath in and one slow breath out. This creates a small gap between you and the thought. That gap gives you a choice. Instead of reacting automatically, you can respond intentionally. Step 2. Question the thought. Now ask yourself one simple question. Is this thought completely true? Maybe, maybe not. Our minds often exaggerate problems, especially when we're stressed or tired. Replace "I always fail" with "I've succeeded before and I can learn from this." You're not pretending everything is perfect. You're choosing a more balanced perspective. Step 3. Move your body. Negative thoughts often become stronger when you stay still for too long. Stand up. Stretch. Walk for 5 minutes. Open a window. Drink some water. Movement tells your brain that something has changed. Sometimes a small physical reset becomes a powerful mental reset. Step 4. Focus on one small action. You don't have to solve your entire life today. Just choose one small action. Reply to one email. Make your bed. Read one page. Call one friend. Small actions remind your brain that you're making progress. And progress is one of the best antidotes to feeling stuck. Remember this. You don't control every thought that enters your mind, but you can choose which thoughts deserve your attention. The next time negativity shows up, pause, breathe, and take one small step forward. That's how real change begins. If this reset helped you, subscribe for one daily reset every week. Small habits, practiced consistently, can lead to meaningful change over time.